Wait lang. Ligo na ba? Hello, Philippines! Hello, America! Lainag na na to bayot. Uy, wait lang, B. Si Uncle, nangita pa siya i-set up yung phone. Hey, la 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 la. Maybe over there in the back, you can put the bags and move close to my phone, so you can also put your phone.
You need to stack up a lot.
Or you need a share and then put the bags on the top, and then you can just do that. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Of course, I'm smart. Hello.
A genius.
Of course. Wait lang daya kasi Uncle nag-sit up mga kutsaday. He's sitting up his phone, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Sorry guys ha, na-late me. Kay grabe ka busy na mo diri sa balay day. Daghan kay ganap day. But, mag-start ko panghatag og balikbayan box. Next week, when karang di nagyug kay ko kapoy kay kuday. Super. Kay nag-travel kami sa Pilipinas, pag-abot na malhin mi. Super, and diri sa balay kalat kay day. So diri na ako gibutang ang camera setup kay ay, grabe ka busy. So si Uncle, nag-ibo pa siya butanganan siyang camera kay mag-live po siya iyahaday. Kay of course, manghatag man po siya. And then, ugma, mag-live na po tagbalik kay gusto ko manghatag na pod. Karon, dali na kay tak ha, kay kapoy kay dry. Manghatag po ko ugma sa gabi, pareho karon nga oras. Kadungog mo na ako, day. Are you guys hear me? Hear me very well? So we need to wait. Lagi atay, mahugog sa phone. So wait lang, we need to wait pa people before we start. Somebody used to go. Yes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's here. Ala, kinsa kay makakuha ni no? Wow, nakakuan pa na ha, naka-close pa na siya dayo. Close pa na siya. So dalo na mo ni showing that to your ano so. Dalo na mo ni sa Pilipinas day ha. Dalo na mo ni sa Pilipinas. Dili ko day kasinti mog star kay TNT ko diri sa Malaysia. Ha? Ay nag-send og star kay di na ako kailangan. So thank you bitaw, thank you. So excited na ko kani dalo na mo ni pagulig Pilipinas. 100,000 pesos. Diretso na mo ihatag. Agad-agad ihatag dayon. Yes, ihatag na mo ang kinsa makakuha sa 100,000 pesos. And sa akong mga tapan nga makadawat og GCash. Ba, burot ang energy bayo. Diba? So excited na ko dahil. So padaghanon sa nato atong mga kuan pa, stand up sa nato atong mga viewers. Kay basig wala sila na kuan pa ba? Basig di pa sila ready. Diba? Kapoy kay bayat. Honey, can you get my speaker? I think
speaker?
in our bedrooms, please.
Sure. You want to play music?
Of course,
Why
of
don't you
course.
just sing?
No, I have very bad voice. You don't like my voice. Oh, I can play piano if you want me to.
I haven't set up the piano yet. But
Yeah,
next
set
time
up
you can
the
play
piano so we can play piano when
You
we're
should play
doing
piano
live.
for people.
Yeah, we're gonna do ano ha, kana magpiano ming Uncle Dai. But wait, I'm gonna play music para mabibo-bibo
Hello
ko tayo.
everyone on my screen. Hello. Good to see you all. It's been a long time.
I know, we're so busy.
I know. It's fun though. It's good to be busy.
Yeah, it's good to be busy because we just moved also to our beautiful house. So, yep.
What you guys can see behind us. Wow, beautiful.
Okay. Ay, kadungog mo na mo, Dai?
Why don't you do oh wait, you don't have your Spotify.
Yeah. No, it's
So
okay.
don't put it up there please because you're gonna knock my phone off.
Yes, it.
Probably too far away. Here.
It's okay, darling.
Why don't we just put it right here?
Okay, just careful.
Be careful.
Yes! Are you guys ready? Or dili pa? Muban wala pa?
Let's wait for some more people. What time is it in the Philippines right now? It should be like noon? Noonish? 1 o'clock maybe? 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock.
Wow! Excited ko sa makakuha sa 100,000 pesos! 100,000 pesos! Wow! And then sa iPhone 17 Pro Max, kisa kay makakuha, amo ning dalon ni David sa Philippines! Yes! Kadungog kay day. Ulahi day, no? Okay. iPhone 17 Pro Max made in the Golden Gate of the River!
It actually does say that. Made in California.
Yeah.
I didn't know it actually said that. That's funny. Or it says designed by Apple in California. Oh, 1:40. Okay, so it's afternoon. Wait, 1:40 on Sunday, right? Yeah.
Is it Sunday day? Because it's
Sunday there.
Yeah, because it's afternoon here.
Yeah. Well, it's nighttime here.
Yeah, we need
Saturday.
to wait pa more people.
Yeah. I was just making sure people aren't at like church or something.
Yeah. At kung ano sa natong viewers day, padaghanon sa nato day, kay ngano day, para naapod sila ba, magtanaw no? Kay grabe! So, before mi muli Pilipinas, manghatag na pud ko. Pero ugma, manghatag pud ko balik ha. Ugma, mag-live ko ingani nga oras. Manghatag na pud ko day para pud sa akong mga supporters, sa akong mga followers. Pero karon pud gabi manghatag pud ko. Pero ugma, manghatag sad ko ingani nga oras ha. Pinakalit ni nga live ugma. Bahala mo diha, pinakalit ako rin mag-live kasi Uncle busy. So ako ugma, pasudlon ako sa live, kinsa tumusulod sa akong live ugma, makadawat og GCash. Yes, ingana ta ka generous day. It's good to be shared the blessing.
It is. We have been blessed by being able to live here. And so we can share a little bit of our blessings with you guys.
Yeah. What's that though? Only 5K left so we can get more automatic. I don't know.
I don't know what that means.
Hello. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the stars, everyone. Kadungog mo na ako, Day. I've been following you 2020. Thank you so much.
Wait, is that 2021?
Yeah, though I think maybe in TikTok.
Oh, yeah, I mean TikTok, but that's 5 years. Thank you. I mean, you were probably there right when we met. So guapo. Oy!
Of course.
Guapa, se guapa.
Excited na mi, Day, sa makakuha. Yes! Get your laptop, baby.
Okay,
So
you
get
ready?
prepared.
You ready to start?
In 3 minutes or 1 minute?
How about 2 minutes?
2 minutes?
At exactly 1:45.
Okay.
We'll do the giveaway. We'll do the first giveaway. What do you want to start with? Something to a top fan?
Top fan first.
Top fan first? Okay.
Top 10 first. And then next week, guys, manghatag mi balikbayan box. Because we're gonna bring that to the Philippines.
Yeah, we'll have 2 balikbayan boxes to bring to the Philippines.
Yeah, so we're
Yeah.
gonna bring balikbayan box in the Philippines. Because we're going back to the Philippines very soon. Yes, and we're very excited to you guys. Yes, and
Very
manghatag ko ugma ha. Ayaw mo kalimot, manghatag ko ugma, mag-live ko ugma, puhod. Manghatag, ay, this ko yung ginapit sa manghatag, sa man yun, yung mga music, day. Ano, it's okay.
peso gift.
Wow.
How many are we going to do? 4?
4 people.
4 people. All right, 4
Okay, ugma na
of
to
our
tama-
top
tata.
fans
Okay.
are going to get 5,000 pesos. And then 1 subscriber from Cindy is going to get the 100,000 peso grand prize. And one of my subscribers is going to get this iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Okay, let me talk, B.
Okay.
Hello mga guys! So, karon ang iuna ni Uncle ang mga top fans, tagaan upat ka top fans sa mong tagaan og 5,000 pesos. Top fans, ang subscriber isa is 100,000 pesos from me. iPhone 17 Pro Max kay David. Yes! So excited ako ninyo tanan day nga kisay makakuha and ugma sa gabi manghatag na pud ta ha. Di malimot, di magool. Kaya karon dalion lang namo day kay kapoy kami day. I told them.
Your gikapoy?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Okay, so are we ready now?
I'm ready. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Okay, wait lang. I'll video you first.
What are you videoing me to?
Because
We're
first-
on live. We don't need a video.
I know, but I like it.
Okay.
1, 2. So this one is from
Top fan.
Top Pants. Okay, go, baby.
Okay, top fan first.
Look, isa mo ka
Here
makakuha
we go.
ng tatay.
And don't worry, we'll zoom in. Here, I'm gonna zoom in.
Top Pants. Kita ba kay ang video ko? Sa ngalan anak niya. Wow! De La Cruz. Sana, Listuro?
Oh, it's reversed for them. They can't read it.
Lesturo De La Cruz. Congratulations, you have 5,000 pesos.
Lesturu de la Cruz. Did you
Yes.
get the picture?
Yeah, I have a picture.
I know it's reversed for you guys, but look.
You can go there and then I can switch the
I think it will be okay. They got the picture. So congratulations, you guys.
Congratulations sa
Congratulations.
nakakuha! Congrats!
All right.
Okay, next.
We want to do another top fan?
Another top pants, okay? Kadungog mo na mo, day? Apil po din taon ko, avatar. Pagtanaw na lang dire, day. Kaya kani para ni stanan. Okay, so next.
Alright.
Another top pants.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3, go! Go, David! Wow, so our second top pants.
So the second top
To get
fan
5,000 pesos!
is
Oh!
Galizia.
Wow! Glyza Abrasaldo! Congratulations!
Abrasaldo. Thank you so much. for
Tapan
being a
na
top
sa among
fan.
bing tapan. Makadawat og 5,000 pesos! So congratulations! Okay, rest first. Kay kapoy ko yaw-yaw.
Oh, yeah.
Wow!
You got pictures?
Yeah. Congratulations! Sa mga ni nakakuha, oh. Asa man to siya? Si Glyza.
Galizia Abrasaldo.
And si... Ay, wait lang. Si
Lesturu de la Cruz.
So, duha pa nakakuha. Napatay duha katapan. Yes!
Don't worry, we're gonna do 2 more top fans as well in just a second here.
Yes. Okay, let's do it again, baby.
You ready already?
Or you wanna play music first?
Oh, I don't know. Do you have anything that you want to fill the time and entertain our people with?
Sure! So, excited na ko, day. Ugma, ha? Mag-live po ta, ugma, day. Kay manghatag na po ko, day. Yes, karon na natay duha katapan nga nakadawat og 5,000 pesos. Thank you guys for being supportive to us. I will really appreciate. Thank you kayo. Manghatag lang ni og mga surprise because we love sharing our blessing. Yes, so thank you kayo guys. Thank you kay sa inyo. Thank you so much. Dali na dato ato mauman atong live karon kay ang inyong auntie gikapoy. Kasi sige may gawas karong adlaw day. So yeah, that we're gonna finish it.
Ready?
Ready for the third time?
Third top
Ready
fan.
for third time? Agaw man tabayo.
All right, you ready?
Wait.
Do you want to click the button?
Okay,
Just tap right here.
hold on. Let me far a little bit.
Well,
Who's
they can't
gonna
see it.
get for third? Where I'm gonna press?
This one right here.
Who's gonna get the third time of the top pan? Oh, wow. I'm excited. 5,000 pesos. Kuya Juan Taron, kinsa naman na? Oh, wow. Si Jen Salverio.
Jen Salverio.
Congratulations. We have a winner. Thank you. Okay. Excuse me.
Wow, so much yelling, my love.
I know. So,
You're losing your voice already. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Jen Salverio. Salverio.
Thank
Jen
you.
Salverio. Thank you so much for being a top fan.
Excuse me.
All right.
Congratulations. Being top fan. Thank you kayo. Another one. Are you okay? Bless you. Bless you.
Excuse me.
So, karon na po tayo last nga tapan. Excited ko sa 100,000 day.
Yeah.
Makirig-kirig yun mo kuha ni 100,000 ron. Grabe. Wait lang, baby. Let me talk.
Okay.
Excited ko aning kasi makakuha sa 100,000 day kay makanegosyo na nihay. Unta kani makakuha sa 100,000? Unta patubuha pa ng kwarta day. Excited ko sa 100,000 pesos. Wow. Wow. This is first time nga manghatag ta sa ato ang mga followers diri og 100,000 kay last time we give
50,000.
no 56,000 is that
Oh, I think it was 58,000 because
58?
she chose the money instead of the
Motor.
Instead of the motor. Yeah.
We give the 58,000 and then next month we're gonna give 150,000 pesos. Yes.
Wow.
150,000 pesos. Or, wait lang. Minifest, God bless Cindy. Or, if we can give, depends what you guys like, motor or money. I think we can give a motor because we're gonna stay in the
Oh,
Philippines.
we'll be in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So next month, we're gonna give a motorbike.
Or maybe something else, a motorbike and a laptop, or maybe we'll do multiple smaller gifts so that people have a higher chance of winning.
Like a lot of gifts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of like one big grand prize, we'll do like 5. I don't know. We'll do something
We're
fun.
gonna talk about
but
it.
the total prize pool will keep going up
Yeah.
as you guys keep subscribing and supporting us. We'll give back basically all the money that you guys give to us. So we really appreciate all of that, and thank you guys for your support. So should we do our last top fan?
Yeah. Kapoy makuday eh.
All right. Take a break. I'll take this one. All right, you guys ready? So this is our last top fan for the 5,000 pesos. Here we go. Last one until we get to the big prizes.
Oh!
da.
Kisa naman po na siya.
Ta-da!
Si Jamela Jane.
Jamela Jane.
Congratulations sa atong
Congratulations,
ikaupat nga
Jamela
tapan nga
Jane.
nakakuha 5,000 pesos. Congratulations. Congratulations sa ikaupat na itong nakuha nga tapan. Wow, kadungog po na mo, day. Yes. Ako na po ng iPhone, day. So, mali ang comment back. Balik lagi ang comment ay. Di maguna ko siya makita. Ang comment kay balik balik. Yes. Wa ka energy inyong burikat kay gikapoy. Gikapoy inyong burikat bayot. Gikapoy kay sigig shopping, sigig lakaw, nagluya. Yes.
All right. Should we keep pushing forward?
Sure.
All right. You want to give away the iPhone?
Yeah, give that with iPhone.
All right. Let's do it.
The iPhone the next.
iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this is to one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being a subscriber. It is time to say my thank yous with the push of this button for the iPhone.
Go, iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Here we go.
Is it working?
Yep, it's spinning.
One,
It's selecting someone.
2, 3.
Boom!
Wow, Camila. Who's that?
Camille
Enterina?
Enterina.
Congratulations,
Camille
that you have
Enterina.
iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Camila
Wow,
Enterina.
congratulations.
Do you want to take a picture here, love?
Yeah, hold on. Wow. Okay, let me take a picture on it. Wow, malipay ni Gunis Inday ron. Nanay iPhone 17 Pro Max from the Boricat in the Golden Gate of the River. Wow, congratulations, Day. I'm so happy for you. Congrats sa nakadawat sa iPhone 17 Pro Max. Si Camila Enterina.
Camille Enterina.
Camille
Enterina.
Enterina. Piste.
Piste.
Congratulations, Day. You have the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And we're gonna bring this in the Philippines.
Yeah, and we'll send it to you from the Philippines.
Yup. Okay, next.
All right, last one.
Mahatag na tayo sa
All right.
100,000 pesos.
This is the big one.
Yeah.
All right, do you want to do this one since this is
Woo!
your
Excited
thing?
na mo, Day? Wow. Wait lang, let me drink water, honey.
Okay, the Yawa has to drink water because she's been yelling. So now you guys are stuck with me. So I just want to say once again, thank you guys for your support. We love doing this. We love giving back. It's really fun. So thank you guys. And the Yawa is coming back to push this button.
Whoa.
All right, 100,000 pesos.
Excuse me, baby.
Okay, why?
No, you move.
Okay, all right, so just push this button and you can give away 100,000 pesos.
Loda, excited na po sa makakuha sa 100,000 pesos. Yes.
All right, you ready?
It's so difficult though when we have a small screen.
I know. So just
So
push the
difficult.
button. And we
Okay,
can-
one. Dai, this is the 100,000 pesos. Look, kinsa kay makakuha ni 100,000, Dai. Excited ko na sa 100,000. Yay. Happy birthday. Just for my birthday, day, Cindy. Your comment is very fast. Mine is stuck.
No, it's fine.
Yes, it is. Oh, it's not working. Okay, let's do it.
All right, push the button.
Let's do it. The 100,000 pesos.
Nope.
Asa man?
This button, please.
Kasi makakuha ng 100,000 pesos. Go! Ala!
All right, here we go. The winner of 100,000 pesos.
Hala,
Is-
na. Kayahay. Wow!
Wow, that's a long name.
Sheila May Divina Divina Garcia Carpo Bantilis. Unsa
I
mabayo?
think so.
Kataas ba na mo pangalan day? But congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Sheila May Divina Gracia Carpo Bantiles.
Wow! Congratulations sa nakakuha sa
Congratulations,
100,000 pesos! Wow!
Congratulations. I don't know if you're here.
God.
Sheila, if you're here, please shout out. But we will find you even if you're not. Don't worry. Thank you guys so much again for supporting us. Thank you. And yeah, we love you guys. We'll see you soon. We'll be back in the Philippines in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We'll be back in the Philippines in 2 weeks. So we'll see a lot of you soon. And thank you guys again for all of your support.
Yep, okay. Find that person and send it to me because
I
I'm
will.
going to call it.
You're going to call him right now?
Yeah,
Okay.
call that person. Give
Oh.
me that, so I'm going to call that person. Mamang hatag ta ugma ha. So karon mo na to atong last nga live sa karon kay gikapoy inyong antiday kay daghan kay ganap diri sa mong balay day. If you can see, the house is so messy. And I'm so happy nga kisa to nakakuha sa 100,000 pesos. And ugma magpadayon ta sa atong live, di mag-all. And next month or no, sa Pilipinas may manghatag og so may gusto ninyo day motor, gusto na mo daghan day. Ugma mohatag og laptop ugma ha. Gusto mo ko ihatag pag namin sa palito na namo para dalo na mo sa Pilipinas ba. Diba? So laban ng day. Next month sa Pilipinas mi ana so magdala mi sa amuang mga panghatag. Magdala mig motorbike. Ay, magdala mig motorbike. Palito ng motorbike sa Pilipinas. Motor. Nya, ihatag na mo diha. Kaya naman Miss Pilipinas. Isa ka bulan mi sa Pinas. So, go. Diba? Diba? Congrats tanan sa nakadawat nga blessing. Yes. Congratulations. Sige lang, day. Hindi na swerte. Okay lang yan, day. Hindi pa Bisaya tapi dili pa karon day basig sunod na ka day, di ba? Thank you everyone. Asa ka dapit sa Pinasdam? Nagailigan ko day. Hello, Bayot. Ready my email, it's about to business partners. Ano daw? Hey, paspasa sa comment uy. Bayot, ready my email ba? It's about business partner. Ship, please. Ha? Ugma, maghatag po ko karon nakakuha is upat ka top fans and iPhone 17 Pro Max and 100,000 ang atong nahatag. And then tomorrow, ugma, maghatag po kayo is the same. Sana? Translate. Translate ba yun? Yes. Dara, naghatag ni David. Other phone, send it to me in other phone. Or send it to your messenger and I will call it. To your messenger. Send it to me to your messenger, darling. Your messenger, because I'm using your phone. Oh, in WhatsApp? Okay, let me look. What's up?
I sent it to your WhatsApp.
Maybe you send it here, not here. Oh. Not here. You know what? We can call na lang after this live, boy. Halo, may paningkuan ni David o. Dagan kayo nag-comment. Paspas kay Sananday. Paspas kayo nag-comment diri kay David o. Katulgon kay Kagnaong Day. Katulgon mo lang. Kapoy kay Bayat. Hold on. Yeah, I got it. Oh, she's so lucky. She's lucky. La 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 la. It's loading pa. Hold on. La 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 na 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 na. Kahinay ba ng data? Uy, saan yung wifi?
Our Wi-Fi is super fast.
I don't know what's wrong with my phone. Hi Cindy, hello! Basin mapilian, your phone is a slow connection.
I know, I don't know why. Because it definitely doesn't. It has over 800 megabytes a second. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Let me go check.
Yeah, my Wi-Fi too is very weak.
No, our Wi-Fi is not weak, love. It's just Facebook is very slow.
Swerte ni si Inday yun, kadaog oh. Hala, nag-share gid niya akong live oh. Day, kung nagtanaw magkakaroon day, i-message si David day, dali day. Oh, I'm trying to kuan you day oh. I-connect diri kay David, ikatawagan. Kaya akong cellphone gigamit ako sa live. Iyang gi-share ang live. Hala, congratulations day. Ikaw ang nakadawat sa 100,000 pesos. Swerte kay kabayot. Imuha karong gabi. Grabe. No, but she shared the live. I can call her na lang in my phone. It's okay, baby. Okay, guys. Okay, love. Let's go say goodbye na. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching our live. And congratulations.
On your phone? Well, my phone is still doing live.
You want me to off my phone?
Did you say you were just about to call her?
Yeah, I'm gonna call her in my other phone here to share my live. Because I cannot go. Okay,
Yeah, so
let me
that's
off
what I'm saying.
this.
Leave my